поднимется боец, носящий гордое прозвище Таджик. Из Таджикистана Буин Гафуров!
Now you heard the response there. One of the local heroes here in Tajikistan fights for Dushanbe. Some vocals there at the start asking for the crowd to welcome him. A stunning talent, combat world Sambo champion, grappling champion as well, MMA champion in other promotions. And this man, he is 12 and 2, and he's been fighting professionally since he was 16 years old. This is in his blood, this is what he was born to do. And when you see a record like that with 12 wins all by finish, he backs it up every single time in the cage, doesn't he?
Yeah, right now the next logical step for him is to come into an organization like the ACB, where he's going to be facing much steeper competition, not just, the local guys, and see if he can keep that momentum going forward. He's already ran into some adversity where he's had guys take it, but you can answer all those questions by fighting in an organization like this.
Uses his combat Sambo base very well, 8 submission wins, but also has huge hometown support here from Dushanbe. Grew up here, learned his art here, and listened to the pop as he comes into the cage.
Итак, знакомьтесь с соперниками. Боец в синем углу. Ему 20 лет, рост 170 сантиметров, вес 61,7 килограмма. Профессиональный рекорд 3 боя, 3...
Those are more tripping shots. They look great in the open.
Oh, looks like Beno Ademai is injured. I don't know what happened there. Oh, eye poke. Gafarov, I think he thinks he's finished that. Ademir there as well.
Oh, great underhook. Came right out. Ademir tried to do a lateral drop. Very difficult throw right there, though. And now he's on his back for his effort.
2 minutes, 50 seconds left still in this round.
He's got the arm wrap.
Look at the power that he puts behind these shots. Raining them down, the crowd responding as well. Referee on top. Oh, kick, and that kick certainly caught him there.
Not enough to keep on the onslaught, though.
Now he's in mount. Flattens out his opponent. The referee is asking for some defence. Big shots, and that's it. He's called it. And look at the face of Boeing Gafarov. Here in his hometown, putting a performance like that. That makes it 11 first-round victories.
Came out extremely dominant. Threw some heavy shots, flew and relaxed the whole time. Really controlled the fight. Really, Ademir never was really able to get into rhythm the whole time.
The up kick was potentially the only thing that caught him, but even that, he survived it and finished, swarmed him yet again.
Momentarily lapse of the punishment. Gafarov just unrelentless. Came forward, strong, passing. There was the up kick. It hurt him for a second, but then got right back on point. Was able to take the back, sink the hooks in, and Ademir had nowhere to go. Completely, basically one-sided dominance by Gafarov.
Итак, дамы и господа, время остановки боя 3 минуты и 6 секунд первого раунда. Техническим нокаутом добивание победу одержал Муи Таджик Gafarov! Аплодисменты его сопернику Бено Адемир.
A stunning performance there in his hometown of Dushanbe, and a big statement as well.
Дамы и господа, мы продолжаем и все ближе.
Dar kanal obuna shaved, shmo metavoned videohoyi nav ro az injo tamusho kuned. Kheze avlod, tamom. Kheze avlod.